This is the bike lock. From here we have taken two wires. One is for the power and the other one is connected to the relay of the receiver board. And we took negative wire from the side indicator. Here red wire is the power positive wire and the green wire is connected to the relay and the blue wire is the negative wire. For this video purpose, we placed this board on the top of the bike. We can also place this board inside the bike. I am Gunishekar Yadav and my team members are Harita, Sadik and Sailesh. The purpose of doing this project is, we all know that whenever we are driving a bike, we need to wear the helmet. But most of us are not following this rule. So our project main aim is that everyone should follow this rule. So this is our project and this is our smart helmet. It consists of a transmitter board with a Bluetooth module followed by a switch and an alcohol sensor. This is the receiver board which is present in the bike with one more Bluetooth module. And in this project there are three cases. In case number 1, without wearing the helmet, we are trying to start the bike and the bike won't start. And in case number 2, we are wearing the helmet and trying to start the bike, then the bike will start. And in case number 3, when the person is consumed alcohol and trying to start the bike, then the bike won't start. Now let us check all these three cases. Now I am not wearing the helmet and I am trying to start the bike. Now we will turn on the key. Now you can see that there is no power in the bike. Now we will change the gears. It is in neutral. Still there is no power. Now I will try to start the bike. As you can see that the bike is not starting. Now I will try to start the bike by holding the clutch. And you can see that still the bike is not starting. And now I will start the bike manually by kickstart. As you can see that the bike is still not starting. By this we can say that case 1 is satisfied. Now coming to case 2. Now I will wear the helmet. Now you can see that the Bluetooth module is turned on in the helmet and it is searching for another Bluetooth module which is present in the bike. Now both the Bluetooth modules get paired. Now you can see that there is a power in the bike and now I will try to start the bike and the bike is started. Now I will remove the helmet. Within few seconds the bike turned off automatically. Now coming to case 3. When the person consumed alcohol and trying to start the bike. This is not an alcohol, it's a syrup which consists of 12% of alcohol. So I am using it. Now you can see that there is a power in the bike. Now I will place this alcohol near the alcohol sensor. Now within few seconds the power is turned off in the bike. And now I will try to start the bike and the bike is not starting. Now you can see that all the three cases are satisfied. So this is our project. Thank you.